Hello. In this video we are going to review how to restore a backup file. First, go to the File drop-down and select Restore a Backup File. You will be given the options to restore from an automatic backup file that Quicken has created or from one of your manual backups. For this video we will select to restore from our manual backups. You will need to browse to locate your backup files. They are typically located within the Quicken folder in the Documents folder. They can be identified because they show as a Quicken QDF backup under the type. Once you have located and selected your file, click Open. You will see that your backup file information is now filled in the field under Restore from your backup. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. You can overwrite the open file with the restored file or create a copy. We do not recommend overwriting files as this cannot be undone. Instead, create a copy. This will preserve the information in the original file. You'll then be prompted to select the location to restore the backup file to and to rename the file. We recommend giving it a unique name to distinguish it from the original file. In this example, we will use the name Restored Data File. Once you have entered a name, click Save. You can now select whether to stay in the original file or open the restored file. To open the restored file, click Yes. The final step will be selecting whether you want to sync the new restored file to the Quicken Cloud. If you are unsure, you can select I am just looking at this file and don't want to sync right now. Then click Done. Once the file is restored, you can confirm you are in the restored file by looking at the name of the file in the upper left corner.